Coming over and just looking at the NQ, I'm just going to go through the hourly chart on this. So I've got that's the running flat for the 2 that I had, 5 up to here for the 1, again micro degree, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. This needs higher. It needs to play catch up. 77.15 is the 123.6 for this. Then I want a 4, 5, 4, 5 up to at least 79.20 and preferably the 8069 area for this micro 3. So I want to see the Nasdaq start to accelerate from this point on, and I don't want to see it back below 75.68 and preferably not below 7600 again while we complete this move. The Dow Jones Industrial, absolutely picture perfect still. Came up, hit its fib on the nose this morning in the YM at the 123.6. So we're looking for 26.563 to hold for this 4, then the 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, and you're going to get fed up over the next few weeks of hearing 4, 5, 4, 5. But that's what we should see in this just grind up in the 3 of 3 in the US indices next.